Today is Thursday and we've got an Aldi plant drop and it's a garden tidy day. So first of all, we've got these perennial planters. These are looking really good. £4.49. Did not see these in any brochures, but they're looking absolutely stunning. Absolutely £4.49 for a big basket full of this. And they look so nice. There's so many different varieties as well. And look at these. This white one looks stunning. And the pink at the back. Oh, absolutely lovely for £4.49. You've got the flexi tub containers, ideal for collecting those leaves. You've got green and grey, and there's a beige. They're £3.79. So that's a good job to get stuff done. Ferrex garden sweeper, 3-brush system. This looks handy for the garden. £39.99. Let me know if you've got one of these, I'd be interested. So we've got some garden chair covers. There's parasol covers and all different types of covers. These are £9.99. And then we've got the garden line pruner. So these are pruners in blue and green. And they've also got the strap on these. These look really handy. Great in the garden for that tidy up. These are £4.99 a piece. So that's quite a good price. We've got bypass loppers. These are £9.99. And there should also be a hedge shear and an anvil shear. We don't have them. Pop-up garden bin. That's quite handy for pottering around the garden. We've got grey and we've got green. These are £3.99. As cheap as chips. Then we've got our incinerator bin with a lid. There's a video on my channel of how to use these in the garden. And these are £14.99. That's quite a good price. This should last a little while. We've got this electric leaf blower from Ferrex. This is an electric one, so it's £29.99. You collect up all those leaves. And then we've got a shovel and we've got a spade. We've got a long handle. They look a bit awkward to use, but that spade looks nice and sharp. There should also be a fork in there somewhere. These are £9.99. They would come in handy. We've got these plant caddy. These are round and we've got a square. Ideal for putting your big pots on to push them around. You can push them in the greenhouse into the shed. £6.99. Got a dome greenhouse. This is 1.6 long, 1.6 wide and 1.8 wide. You can use this for putting in your plants over winter in the garden. That's ideal. £14.99. Seat covers, beige, grey patterned. These are £6.99. They're garden chairs. That doesn't look too bad. There's various colours. And we've got some strong loppers. These are £16.99. They look pretty heavy duty. They look well strong. We've got an extendable rake, extendable leaf rake. Can't say that, leaf rake. There's also a brush. These are £5.99 and they look really handy for collecting those leaves. All about garden tidy. Gloves, 100% leather, £5.99. They come in handy for those weeds with the thorns. And also a tarpaulin, £3.99. That's really handy. So next to us, there's all these lovely pumpkin smells. There's all these candles from Hotel Collection. All these autumn smelling candles and pumpkins. They smell really nice. These are from £2.69. This candle's got pine cones in. Just a nice little smelling of the candles. It smells all around the shop. Just a nice autumn smell. And at the end here we've got these rakes. We've got a leaf rake. We've also got this weed pole. And these are £5.99. And that's a good price for a rake for your allotment, for your garden. So let me know in the comments what takes your fancy from anything on this list here. It's also a great time to tidy up that garden and start saving those leaves. Cheers!